Polysolid is like creating a wall with straight and curved segment of constant height and width. You can change the parameter in the command line. The only thing that you need to remember is that the solid cannot be intersect with itself. The press pull function is used to press or pull a bounded area. Let's say we draw a rectangular. We can press or pull this bounded area to become a solid object. Here is another example with a circle bounded area. You can also press or pull a bounded area on a 3D object.